We start with 2 American spins and shoulder spin. In Laird's version, man dances a rock, chassis almost in place, chassis almost in place, but these chassis, both chassis, travel forward, not to side, and not one forward another backward. We start with right to right hand hold, quick, 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 left to right hand hold, another American spin, and now we dance shoulder spin. We change second chassis almost in place and we put right hand behind man's back, left hand on lady's right shoulder. We're a bit too far. Yes. Quick, quick, quick and push, quick and quick. This position is open CPP, and after turn we are in open facing position. Let's do again. And quick, 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 change hand, quick, 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 quick. Now almost in place, chassis, and we put left hand on lady's right shoulder and dance shoulder spin. 5, 6, 7, 8, quick, 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 quick. And now we will do overturned Fallaway throwaway, then chicken walks and sugar push. What is allowed in Fallaway throwaway that man starts with rock step to side, and we can add some hip action there. Lady starts with rock replace, lock step forward and spiral turn, lock step and turn facing man, then 2 slow chicken walks, then 2 quick chicken walks, change of place ending, and then 4 quick chicken walks with points and sugar push with 2 triple steps. Let's do from beginning together. Lady starts with rock back, but man starts with a rock to side. And quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. Man dances point step, triple step. Lady dances triple step, triple step. And now let's do this small routine again. Man starts with side rock, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. I noticed that some of you after a rock step dance around chassis as a man. So this version in Fallaway throwaway is not allowed version for restricted syllabus. 5, 6, 7, 8, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. And now important and interesting question. Can we replace simple chassis to side with flick and step to side? Yes, we can change shape of jive chassis in 5 different ways. with step to side, slow with tap and step to side, with step to side and then tap, with flick and step to side, and with step to side and then flick. And now we will do change of place left to right, then simple spin and stop and go. So we start with change of place left to right, and we finish in side by side position. Then we do simple spin, we turn forward and to side, and now back replace, triple step, check replace, triple step. Let's do again. Five, six, seven, eight. Quick, 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 a quick, quick, a quick, 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 a quick, 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 a quick. 5, 6, 7, 8. Quick, 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 a quick, quick, a check, quick, 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 a quick, 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 a quick. So notice that we finished change of place left to right in check position. Let's do together. And quick, 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 a quick, quick, a check, quick, 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 a quick, 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 a quick. And now we will do Miami's special overturn change of place left to right and a rock to simple spin. We start with right to right hand hold, quick, 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 a quick, and now we can use both rond chasse. We continue with overturn change of place left to right, quick, 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 a quick, overturn, quick, a quick. And now we will dance a rock step and then simple spin. Let's do again this routine. Quick, 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 a quick, quick, a quick, 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 a quick, quick, a quick, 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 quick. Quick, 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 a quick, quick, a quick, 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 a quick, quick, a quick, 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 quick. And now, bonus thing from dance Samba Carioca run, Walter Laird's version. Usually Carioca runs are facing each other, quick, 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 quick. But Walter Laird put it in another way, as a beginning, as an introduction to the dance Samba. In this version we will stand approximately 4 meters from each other, and the man will start with leg split. Lady will hold position or do some wiggle, and I would do leg split, then transfer weight to right, to left, to right, to left, and then close feet. Then we will continue with lady underarm Volta spot turn and 3 promenade to counter promenade runs. Man dances whisk 1, 2, outside step to promenade run, second to counter promenade run, and again promenade run. Lady steps, lady starts with right foot, to side, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. On 8 there is no tap, because she will continue with Volta spot turn to right, and then promenade run, counter promenade run, and promenade run. And now promenade run, drop Volta, lady solo Volta turn, and whisk to right. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.